Hop in my ride, I slide at my roof. You got some time, I'm trying to slide through. You might have thought that you could find two, but no one provides the vibe that I do. And shawty, I like how you move, and you can deny I'm that dude. Yes, you said you like how I do this. You said it's a vibe, it's a mood. You probably never in your life thought that you would hear somebody talk the way that I talk, or see somebody that could walk the way that I walk. I feel the same about you. I like it when you do what you do, and I don't really need a reason to turn it up and take over the whole season. Putting up numbers no matter who playing defense. And when I say it, no, I mean it. Got the game sold up, don't need a seamstress. You see me in these fabrics, my Mr. Vandy with neighborhood and some palace. Up in some black phantom ones with the cactus. Look, all I'm saying is I don't do nothing average. Blow it back and get it back. We have emotion, they thinking that it was thought. For what? This if I ever thought it was obvious. There ain't nobody better, I promise. You better stop it. Locked in forever, no falling off is not an option. Hop in my ride, I slide at my roof. You got some time, I'm trying to slide through. You might have thought that you could find two, but no one provide the vibe that I do. And shawty, I like how you move, and you can deny I'm that dude. Yes, you said you like how I do this. You said it's a vibe, it's a mood, yeah. So tell me how you feel, but there's no need to lie to me. So keep it real, it's more than eyes can see. I feel your energy, you hope it lasts forever, you don't wanna ever leave. I just wanna be timeless, and drop hits for the babies and the mamas. Got 5 whips and ball hard with the Ohana. Shoot for the moon, yeah, I'm tryna see all the stars close like Solana. Don't be praying on my downfall, I go harder. Although my beats go dumb, I move smarter. I'm just tryna take flight and ball like Vince Carter. But you should know that I'm only just getting started. We have emotion, they thinking that it was thought. For what? This if I ever thought it was obvious. Nobody better, I promise. You better stop it. Nothing forever, no falling, that's not an option. Hop in my ride, I slide at my roof. You got some time, I'm tryna slide through. You might have thought that you could find two, but no one provide the vibe that I do. And shawty, I like how you move, and you can deny I'm that dude. Yes, you said you like how I do this. You said it's a vibe, it's a mood, yeah. Hop in my ride, I slide at my roof. You got some time, I'm tryna slide through. You might have thought that you could find two, but no one provide the vibe that I do. And shawty, I like how you move, and you can deny I'm that dude. Yes, you said you like how I do this. You said it's a vibe, it's a mood, yeah.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we'd be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, hanging with nobody, but the joke's on me, cause you love solitude more